Have you ever wanted to know how to make money online? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you exactly how to make $100 a day online using YouTube. Now, this method is completely free. It's not going to cost you anything. You won't need a website. You won't need an email list or anything like that. And I'm going to take you through this step by step and show you exactly how to do it. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how you can go out and make money online. Now, if you're new to my channel, make sure you go and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell because I bring out videos every single week about making money online. And I want to make sure that you get notified every single time I release one. Now, in today's video, like I mentioned, I'm going to take you through step by step on how to make money online. And what we're going to be doing is using the YouTube platform and getting a small piece of a huge pie. There's more than 2 billion people using YouTube every single month. It's the second largest website on the planet, and it gets 30 million visitors every single day. Now, it's no secret that YouTube pays out millions of dollars to its creators, and we can actually go and get a small piece of that pie by copying and pasting videos. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But it's very important that you stay all the way to the end of this video, or you're going to miss out on critical information. And by the end of this video, I want you to be able to go and do this yourself so you can make money online. And like I mentioned, it's completely free to do this. And at the end of this video, I'm going to have a bonus for you to show you how to make more money with this method. Now, there's a lot of money to be made on YouTube. In fact, people making hundreds of dollars every single day. But how do you do it? How do you get started? How do you go and actually make money with this? And what are the steps you need to take to go and make money with this method? So what I'm going to do right now is jump into my computer and I'll show you exactly step by step how you can make money online with this method. All right, guys, the first step to this tutorial is to go and open two websites. The first website is called pixels.com. Now, this is a website where we can actually go and copy videos and paste them and use them to make money. Now, don't worry, these are copyright free, royalty free. You can use these for free and you can actually make money from these videos. So that's pixels.com. Make sure you go to that website and get it up and running right now. And we'll actually come back and I'll show you how to use this website so we can make money and copy these videos to make some income. Now, the next website you want to have open is the YouTube audio library. If you don't know how to find that, just go into Google and type YouTube royalty-free music and it will pop up for you. And we're going to come back and actually use this as well. And I'm going to show you how we can use these videos and this music, and don't worry, this music is royalty free as well, how we can use this music and these videos and we can make money from this stuff. Now, if we go to YouTube right here, you'll notice that in the motivation section, there's these videos that get thousands and thousands of views online. Now, these videos actually make a really, really good amount of money online, and these guys don't show their face, they don't talk or anything like that. And to prove to you that people actually make money with this, if we click on this here, I've actually looked at some stats from a couple of these channels. This specific channel here makes between $32 to $500 per day. Now, these stats are probably a little bit conservative. Usually these are a little bit lower than what they actually make, so he probably does make more than this. But you can see he gets lots of views, and these videos absolutely crush it online. Here's another one here, which actually makes more money. These guys are making up to $1,000, $1,400, $1,300 per day, $1,200 per day, $65 at the lowest. But I would say they're making at least $100 or more per day. Now, I'm not saying you're going to go and make this straight away, but you can go and do content like this and you can make money with this method. So the motivation kind of like niche, there's heaps of sub niches as well. So you've got morning motivation, fitness motivation, is like landscape motivation, nature motivation, and all that sort of good stuff, right? There's lots of sub niches that you can go into. But how do you actually get started with this? How do you make money? And how do you actually go and start this and do all the content? So let's actually go into the steps of doing this, and I'll take you through step by step on how you can create these videos without showing your face or even talking, and you can go and paste them on YouTube and make money. So the first step is simple. We actually want to go and download some sort of like videos and stuff like that. Now, I have actually done it for this tutorial. I'm going to show you step by step, but I'll kind of just take you through this and show you how you can download videos and stuff. So let's just say, hey, we want to do a nature kind of landscape motivational video. So I would go to pixels.com and I would just put in nature. and I would make sure it's on videos, or you can actually mash together images if you like, but videos are so much easier. Now, if I actually open this up, you can play the video, and you can see that it's waves crashing against some rocks. Really nice, peaceful video. So you can even do this for like people like sleeping music and stuff like that. You could do it for that if you like. You could really do anything. And then we've got another one down here, which is a nice waterfall running. And all you do is you just click free download, and I'll do that right now. And it's downloaded the video. I can now go and use this for free with it's royalty free, and I can go make money with this if I want. Or we could put in something like drone footage, and we spelled that wrong, drone footage, and there's like stuff like this that you can also go and there's just all these videos that you can use. It's crazy. So I'm going to show you how to actually make a video and everything like that right now. So what we're going to do in this particular video is we're going to actually use the fitness motivation niche. And I've actually downloaded some videos. But what you would actually do is just go to fitness. And you'll see that there's all of these videos that would go really well for fitness motivation, like this guy here, lifting this tire and stuff. Okay? And you just click download. Boom, just download it instantly like that. So let's just pretend that I've downloaded a bunch of videos because I actually have for this tutorial, and I'll take you through how to set them up. So what I've done is I've downloaded some videos, and I'll actually show you how to do it. The next step, once you've got some videos downloaded and some audio, you probably want to do the audio after you've done the video. I'll show you now. But what you want to do is you want to go to openshot.org, and this is a completely free video editing software. And I'm going to show you on this video how to actually use it step by step. Okay, so you can go here, you just go to download, and you can use it on any type of system, Mac, PC, Linux. And they actually have heaps of tutorials on how to use it. But I'll show you in this video how easy it is to use right now. So I actually have a folder set up. Let me just get my folder set up. All right, so this is the software here, and I'm going to show you how to use it. I've actually got my audio here, I've got my video files, and I've got everything ready to go. So I'm going to drag in video number 7. I don't know what that is. I'll just drag them all in for now. So video number 7, video number 6, video number 5, and Pixels video. And you can move them around. Now, I'm going to, I do know what these are, so I'm actually going to put this one first, because this is a really nice starting. You can see that. And I'm actually going to cut it because it's quite long, and I kind of want to have it so she's in the moment. So I'm going to click this little icon here, and I'm going to cut the video. And I'm going to get rid of the scissors, and I'm going to click on here and click delete, and I'm going to drag this back here. And I'm actually going to cut it here as well. I'm just going to shorten that there and delete. Now the next one, we've got this guy here. And you kind of want to do it so that in the moment. So we'll do it right here where he's doing his stretches. Get rid of that. I don't know what this little thing is here. Okay. Okay, so that's good. And then I'm going to get this one here of this guy running. And I'm going to cut it down again. I'm just cutting it down for this video, guys, because otherwise it will be too long. Oh, let me just get that back. All right, and then the last one here. And I'm just going to drag that here. And I'm going to cut that as well. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to actually drag the music in. Okay, so I want to drag the music in so I can use that. Let me just get the music. So that looks all good. What I want to do now is drag the music in. So to get the music, you just go to the the YouTube section, and you just find some music. So this is the one I'm going to use. But you'll see that there's lots of music you can use. You probably want to go off like ambient, calm type stuff. Or you can go for some like dramatic stuff. What's this one? It's not really that dramatic. But all you do is you find some, you basically go to the mood that you want to choose, okay? And then you find some audio, and then you just click the little download button here. And it's going to download it here. It just downloaded it right there. And so I've just downloaded that audio, and now I can actually use it on the video. So let me show you how to actually add it to the video real quick. So let me just go back to the program. I'm going to add the one in here that I have. And I'm going to cut it here because we don't want the whole thing. It's actually always good to cut it at the start as well and get rid of the start, because the start sometimes has a blank section because it's building up. So I think we're done here. Let me show you. All right, guys, my apologies. My computer's recording at the same time, so it's running a little bit slow. But if we actually look here, you'll see that I've done it. And I literally created this right in front of your eyes. Obviously, you want to do longer videos, maybe like 5 minutes maybe or something like that. We'll go and check how long the videos are in a second. But this took me like not even that long. I did it within a minute with the program that we're using, which is called openshot.org, I think. And we've just created the video. Super simple. Now, I did notice that there was actually some black spots here. That's because I haven't made them go closer, so that's better. But this is all you do, guys. You use OpenShot, and then you go to you go to the, you can't see it, but you go to File and then Export. Oh, here you go, Export Project and Export Video, and you can export this video to go and upload to YouTube. Now, the length you want to do, just go and see what everyone else is doing. So we've got 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Oh, so 3 to 4 minutes. This one here that I just created, right, was not even that long, is 40 seconds. So all I got to do, and that took me about a minute to do, so maybe 4 or 5 minutes, you could easily create a video by going and downloading videos from here and getting the audio from here and then uploading them to YouTube. Now, what a lot of people don't really understand is that with YouTube, you can get traffic from different traffic sources. You can get traffic from YouTube search, browse traffic, suggested videos. Now, YouTube search is basically people searching, but suggested is if I click on one of these videos right here, your video can actually show up on the sidebar here. And so you get views that way as well. And then the browse traffic is actually your video will pop up on the home screen. So people can actually see it on the home screen. So there's more than one traffic source with YouTube. Now, how do you actually make the money? So the first step to making money is obviously turning on advertising. Now, the second step is you can actually put a link in the description of the video, and you can actually get paid an affiliate marketing commission for doing that. So what I mean by that is if you actually go to a website called clickbank.com and click on self-help, because you're in like the motivation niche, you can actually sign up and you can actually promote some of these products for a commission. So there's a couple of products here. Show all self-help products. They've actually only got 2. But if we actually go, if you log in, I'll log in real quick. I'm in the marketplace here. If I go to self-help, there's all of these products that you can actually promote. So if I click on promote here, I get what we call, and generate hop link, I get what we call an affiliate link, and I put that in the video description. Then if someone clicks that and purchases the product, I get a commission. I make $45 for every single sale somebody does. And that is called affiliate marketing. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I actually have a training on that. If you go to savageaffiliate.com, which is, this is the website here, there's a link in the description. It will take you through exactly how to make affiliate marketing commissions with YouTube and other traffic sources as well. We take you through a step-by-step training that shows you everything from starting your foundation. We show you how to make websites, funnels, email marketing, ClickBank. We show you the best traffic sources, free traffic sources like YouTube, paid traffic sources as well, if that's what you're interested in. We show you everything you need to get started in the affiliate marketing industry to make money online. Now, if you want some more tutorials, you can click the videos on the right. These are completely free. They will show you exactly how to make money online as well. And I'll also leave a playlist there for you, and you can click that to make money online as well. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell. If you have any questions, let me know below, and I'll see you on one of the videos on the right.